Philip, if you're editing this, just a heads up, this is the start of a new video, even though the air intake isn't even on yet. I know you finished that in the last video, but we're interrupting. Hey, welcome back. Another episode of Phil Super. It sounded like Vsauce there to start that one off. But here's the plan for today, which is actually the same day as like 2 other videos, actually. This inside needs to be cleaned out, and that needs to be fixed. Just little things like that. So today is cleanup day and try to get the car driving day. It's rainy day also, which kind of stinks because the weather's absolute garbage from pretty much here on out up until the show. So pretty much we're just gonna start. I'm gonna set you guys down. We're gonna start cleaning. Battery may die partway through. That was a mid-burp, by the way, when I was saying cleaning. That's why it sounded weird. Battery may die partway through, but I'm literally just gonna set you guys down. We're gonna get rolling because there's just today's, yeah, don't know what I'm saying, but it's kind of button things up, get ready for the show day. Most of the mechanical stuff is done. Got to double check those lights, cut the trunk. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up. You guys are gonna get set down, and then we're gonna get rolling. Alright, we're all cleaned up inside, and this should be the last day because I'm going to get it registered today. Temporary registration, but enough so I can drive it on the road. Things that we need to do left are clean up a little bit. We have a bit of wires tucked around in there. I want to make something smoother for the back hole where the wires go in. This needs to be cleaned up. All I'm going to do is just route it underneath here, tuck it in, heat shrink that, and then I need to pull it out. Need to hose down this section here just to get all the dust off, so we're not getting any smoke or anything, no risk of fire. Give it a good little clean again, because got dirty. Holy cow, I made an absolute mess because I've been shaping my Captain America helmet and Iron Man helmet. Other projects that don't have to do with anything. Holy cow, it's a lot dirtier than I thought. But anyway, I need to tidy those up. Before I lift it up, I need to get the bucket, do the string method, check the alignment on the car, try to get it straight. Yeah, just clean up. I'm going to set you guys down. We're going to start that time lapse, and we're going to go ahead and start cleaning up some of the wiring and all that other stuff. Got my registration, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on. The license plates in the front and the back. Pop the airflow sensor back on, pull it out, wash it inside and out, as inside the engine bay and out, get the wing on, then head down to the gas station, get some gas, because I need some gas. But that be the plan. Alright, tags are on, everything's good. I'm gonna go down to the gas station and then go to track. My mom's here though, I'm gonna say hi to her really quick. Man, I haven't felt like I've finished one of these in my room in a little bit, but we drove it and it went well. Alignment is really badly off. I totally screwed up that right side. I pulled it in way too much, so I just need to go back and adjust it just a wee little bit, because I have to drive with the steering wheel like at a crazy angle off to the side. It drives smoothly. Holy cow, it hits boost at like, it feels like 2k RPM. My tachometer's not working, but it hits it so low, it's crazy. I just need to fix my blow-off valve too, because I'm getting this doo-doo-doo, but I want to get more of the psh, because, you know, it's just a little better for the turbo anyway. Not like it really matters with such a small turbo, but man, it felt good to be in the car again. Another problem I ran into is it did die once. I think the alternator's not working because it just died in the middle of driving, like slowly started petering out because the battery died. So yeah, I think it's the alternator. Also, it may be the battery, but I'm betting it's the alternator because we did so much wiring of plugging and unplugging things around the battery terminal. I think I just unplugged it and never put it back. So that's that. Good deal. Good deal. More videos coming soon. Not really much specifics on the car itself. I'll probably fix the battery problem off the camera just because I'm not sure what it is, but I'll do a bunch. There should be 2 or 3, maybe even 4 videos of just like recaps of the whole process that I've gone through with this Supra, kind of time lapse from start to finish. Yeah, it'll be great. It'll be great. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming along in this process with me. I've really enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see where we go from here, because we're not done. Now that this project's done, there will be more projects in the future. It's just kind of letting my bank account and my life recover a little bit, and then we'll get on to the next one. That's it. Don't forget, dislike and subscribe, hit in the comments, boys. Bye.